Using the database client extension or any other GUI tool, we can create tables manually. Like you can click on create a new table and so on. But in production, creating tables manually is definitely not the best approach. Migrations in Laravel help creating and modifying table structures, acting like version control. So let's create a new students table using migrations. Open terminal and type the command php artisan make migration and specify the name of the migration, like let's say create students table. This could be any name, but this particular name will help Laravel understand that you're trying to create a students table. Hit enter. The migration is created for us. It's within the database directory and migrations. We use the schema facade to create and modify tables. You can see two methods here, up and down. The up method is used to create a table or column, while the down method is used to drop the table or column in case of rollback. The create method of schema facade is used for creating a new table, which takes in the first parameter as the name of the table, and the closure is used to define the table structure. As you can see, Laravel has guessed the table name as students and refilled it for you. It also knows that you want to create it. For specifying the columns, you can see two methods here, ID and timestamps. Laravel offers multiple such methods for creating different types of columns. The ID method creates the primary key ID column that auto increments, and this timestamps method creates two columns, created at and updated at. So you don't have to manually type all of these will be auto updated. Now let's create two columns of our own, like name and email. So use the string method to create a name column. Also the same method to create an email column as well. Okay, let's run this migration now. Open terminal again and type in php artisan migrate. Now this command will run all the migrations that haven't previously been run. So hit enter. Currently we only have one migration that is new. So this is done. You should be able to see a student's table now. Let's refresh tables, and yes, there it is with all the columns that we created. Feel free to explore the structure of the other tables that Laravel created by default, like migrations and password reset tokens and so on.